भारत चीन और भारत पाकिस्तान के बीच जारी तनातनी पर विदेश मंत्रालय ने साफ कहा है कि भारत ने न तो हमारे क्षेत्र पर किसी तरह के अवैध कब्जे को स्वीकार किया है और न ही चीन के अनुचित दावों को मंजूर किया है। अमेरिकी रक्षा विभाग पेंटागन की रिपोर्ट में चीन द्वारा भारत चीन बॉर्डर के पास निर्माण कार्यों और कथित तौर पर गांव बसाने का दावा किया गया। इसे लेकर विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता ने कहा कि सरकार ने हमेशा राजनयिक माध्यम से चीन की ऐसी गतिविधियों का कड़ा विरोध किया है और भविष्य में भी ऐसा करना जारी रखेगी।
China has undertaken construction activities in the past several years along the border areas, including in the areas that it has illegally occupied over decades. India has neither accepted such illegal occupation of our territory, nor has it accepted the unjustified Chinese claims. Government has always conveyed its strong protest to such activities through diplomatic means and will continue to do so in the future. Further, as conveyed earlier, government has also stepped up border infrastructure, including the construction of roads, bridges, etc., which have provided much needed connectivity to the local population along the border. Government remains committed to the objective of creating infrastructure along the border areas for the improvement of livelihood of its citizens, including in Arunachal Pradesh. And of course, government keeps a constant watch on all developments having a bearing on India's security and takes all necessary measures to safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity.
भारत पाकिस्तान के बीच सड़क यात्रा की इजाजत को लेकर उन्होंने कहा कि दोनों पक्ष के समन्वय में अटारी वाघा एकीकृत चेक पोस्ट के माध्यम से सीमित पैमाने पर यात्रा की जा रही थी। गुरु पर्व के चलते निर्णय लिया गया है कि 1500 तीर्थ यात्रियों का एक जत्था उत्तर वाघा आईसीपी के रास्ते 17 से 26 नवंबर तक पाकिस्तान की यात्रा करेगा।
Movement through the Kartarpur corridor was suspended in March 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. Land travel between India and Pakistan is since being conducted on a limited scale through the Atari Wagha integrated checkpost in coordination with the Pakistani side, and both sides follow their own extant rules and health guidelines. In view of the significance of Guru Purab and the sentiments associated with it, it has been decided that a jatha of around 1500 pilgrims will visit Pakistan from November 17 to 26 this year via the Atari Wagha ICP. This visit is covered under the 1974 bilateral protocol between India and Pakistan on visits to religious shrines. The pilgrims are scheduled to visit Gurdwara Shri Darbar Sahib, Gurdwara Shri Panja Sahib, Gurdwara Shri Dehra Sahib, Gurdwara Shri Nankana Sahib, Gurdwara Shri Kartarpur Sahib, and Gurdwara Shri Sacha Sauda. Pakistan had earlier denied permission for the visit of Sikh pilgrims from India to Pakistan on two occasions in June this year. One on the occasion of the martyrdom day of Guru Arjan Dev, and second on the death anniversary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji. Both these jathas were also covered under the 1974 bilateral protocol. We hope that the forthcoming jatha through Kartarpur corridor does take place.
विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता ने अफगानिस्तान पर दिल्ली में आयोजित एनएसए स्तर की बैठक को लेकर कहा कि पाकिस्तान को भी इसका न्योता दिया गया था, लेकिन वो नहीं आए। इससे अफगानिस्तान को लेकर उनके रवैये का पता चलता है। बागची ने कहा कि अफगानिस्तान के लोगों को भारत का समर्थन बहुत स्पष्ट है।
India's support and to the people of Afghanistan is very clear. It is led, it's a people led interaction and our involvement with that country. We have been extending support over many years for the people of Afghanistan. I don't need to reiterate that today. Situation on the ground has become very difficult over the last few months since the transition there. And accordingly, I think we have been participating in meetings where this issue of how to address humanitarian concerns, impending humanitarian concerns. As you know, in the last, I was just talking to Madhurendra regarding the NSA meeting where the very serious humanitarian situation in Afghanistan was discussed at length. And one of the key elements which we have seen in previous meetings was the need for unimpeded, unhindered access for aid or humanitarian assistance providers. And I think that is a key element of anything that we would be in a position to extend assistance. As you know, we have been looking at the possibilities. but there have been difficulties due to lack of unimpeded access.
विदेश मंत्रालय ने इस्लामिक देशों के संगठन OIC के दूत की पाक कब्जे वाले कश्मीर POCK की यात्रा पर कड़ा एतराज जताया। बागची ने कहा कि यह हमारा आंतरिक मामला है। मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि ऐसी यात्राओं को हम हमारे आंतरिक मामलों में दखल मानते हैं।
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।